started with the commercial enterprise. You're now got a commercial profitable enterprise. You're making good profit on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis. Revenues are up. Profits are up. Cash flows are solid. What we got to do now is get the business ready for the next level of growth. We got to make sure it can sustain the current level of growth, but ready also for the next level of growth. And that's where that leverage always kicks in. Again, my definition is ever more with ever less. Or an even easier way to put it is divide to multiply. What I mean by that is you divide up the tasks to multiply the outcome. You know, Henry Ford started this whole process back with back in the Model T Ford days when he built the assembly line. Dividing it up to multiplying the outcome. What we got to really look at, and the way leverage is all about, is this word here, systems. Okay, putting the system in place. And as you'll see on your screen right now, system stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money. I'll say that again. Saving yourself time, energy, and money. So what is a system? Systems is where you document, videotape, photograph, audio record, whatever it is you need to do to put it down on paper or on film or on disc. What happens within a company in a certain area? From how to do it, right through to how to measure it, what the measurements should be, what it should look like when you're finished. These are the things that you need to have written down. Most of it's probably in your head. As a business owner, one of our biggest challenges is that in our head is all of the things about how our company should run. What you've got to do is you've got to make a list. I'll make it real simple for you. Make a list of every routine task or operation or activity that happens within your company. Stuff that happens every day, every week, every month, every quarter, every year. Once you got that list, turn that list in and divide it up. What are daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly tasks? Start with the dailies. Start writing down how to do them all. Every task that happens every day, how do you do it? Photograph it, videotape it. Do that stuff. Have a chat with one of my coaches about the most effective ways to make that happen within your company. But, once again, this is step 4 up our ladder. We're not doing step 1 here. This is step 4. Let's get the first 3 steps in play and then do this in step 4. Putting the systems in place is very important. I say it to you this way. Systematize the routine and humanize the exception. 80% of every task that happens in your company is going to be a routine task. 80%. 20% is why we train good people to work in our company. And that's where we get to this next step, the team building.